Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create and use tab groups in Google Chrome. Tab groups can help you to easily organize your different tabs and help you to easily find your websites when you're ready to find them. So how do you create tab groups in Google Chrome? Once you're on Google Chrome, guys, just simply click the three dots on the upper right hand side. And from here, you want to go down to tab groups and click and create new tab group. No, you want to give your tab group a name. I'm going to use this as an example. Let's say shopping. And you can give this a color by selecting colors from these options right here. So I'm going to choose, for example, this blue option here. And you can always go ahead and create new tab groups from here. You have moved tab groups to a new window if you so desire. You can close a tab group. You can ungroup it, or you can even delete your tab groups from here. Now, let me show you how to use a tab group. Because once you name it, all you have to do is just start browsing. Now, once you create a tab group, you can see that it shows on your tabs on the Google Chrome, and on your bookmark bar as well, you can find the tab groups showing up towards the left hand side. This makes it super easy to access tab groups, and you can quickly click on them to access them from here. So let's start by adding a few websites to tab groups and how you can easily find them afterwards. So I'm going to go to, for example, amazon.com. And once I visit amazon.com, this is going to automatically add to the tab groups. So if I click the three dots on the upper right hand side in Google Chrome and go down to tab groups, hover over shopping, you can see that Amazon is added. Now we can even try another website. So if I open up a new tab and go to, for example, eBay, what's going to happen is that this website does not automatically add to the tab groups. So if I click the three dots again, go down to tab groups, hover over shopping, you will see that eBay is not there. So how do we add it? It is really easy. Right click on that tab there on Google Chrome, and here you will find add to tab groups. You want to hover over that and select the tab groups that you have created. Select shopping, and from here, this new website is now added to the tab groups. So if I go back, you will see that it's added. And as well as I showed you before, you can do that from the upper left hand side as well. If I right click on it, you will see that it shows under the tab groups. So it makes it super easy to find those different websites and access them when you're using Google Chrome. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.